All right, everybody, I just got my WYZM parking lot light. I just thought it was kind of cool. I'll put it over the driveway. I have a spot I can tuck it away. You won't really see it from the street unless it's on, but pretty cool out of the box. Comes with a photo electric sensor with the gasket here, keep the water out. Looks pretty high quality. But you just pop this in, turn it if you want to use it. Look like high quality LEDs. Pretty neat. One thing I didn't like when I picked it up, something's rattling around in here, which not cool, but I wired it up for a temporary thing just to check the brightness, make sure it works. Let's see. Maybe. Okay. All right, it's on, it's plugged in, wired properly. Take the photoelectric sensor out. Oh, well, all right, so Home Depot in WYZM sent me something brand new that's broken, so that's good. Good stuff, really appreciate it.